Greetings, I'm Gary Jones, and as a content creator, you want a platform, a program that permits you to create various pieces, content in various forms, formats. It's very flexible, and Ecamm is that platform. Ecamm permits one to record in a wide or landscape mode or portrait, which we call vertical mode. These different modes are very crucial when creating content to serve and share your message. As Instagram and TikTok permits content creators to shoot in a portrait or vertical mode, Ecamm might be the program for you. So we're going to show you how one can use Ecamm in a vertical portrait mode. Because I'm recording, I cannot change the setting. Right now I am in the wide platform to do the recording, and I'm going to show you how you change the setting to have the access to record in a vertical or portrait mode. What you want to do is you want to go into settings. When you go into settings, you want to hit stream. Once you press the stream button, you have the option of recording in wide, extra wide, classic, square, or tall mode. Tall mode, 9:16, is the mode you want to select to create recordings in a vertical or portrait mode. Once you do that, Ecamm would give you this type of figure, the centerpiece, like my smile. And so the centerpiece will be the framework of reference that will allow you to create content. You can create shorts, different reels, but if you want access to TikTok and Instagram, you have to be able to, those platforms have to be able to give you access. Some people have access to Instagram, but it's rolling out slowly. But in order to create an Ecamm in a vertical mode, one must go into settings. When you go into settings mode, press stream and select the tall frame so that you can record reels, shorts, and if you have access to Instagram and TikTok, you can shoot in that framework. Hope this video was of support for you. If you have any more questions, please let me know. We're here to help you out. Have a great day.